to self. Girl, did you think they were gonna finish the race like normal, well-behaved kids? That's funny. That's funny. Play. Chop a little food. Play a little pool. Get down tonight. You guys comment below some things you're doing to stay busy with your family. The kids helped me spiralize our zucchini for pasta. Clearly, we even eat it raw. It tastes so good. Zucchini is one of my favorites. Health is wealth. Remember what I told you, eh? Do it yourself. I did have help, but I want to show you my platform for my couch. I had fun making this and bringing it to life. So first, I had to get the measurements for it. I wanted my platform to stick out further than the couch. I went to Home Depot to get my wood. I always have screws around the house. I got my drill handy. Staple gun from Amazon. I got this mattress foam topper from Walmart. Definitely needed some extra cushioning on top of a wood platform. That top layer is plywood. I took my staple gun around the edges to secure everything, and I had a vision of exactly how I wanted this before I got started. I had pictured gold to match with everything, and these buttons I would hot glue gun on, really like little jewels as decoration, like a quilted look. And I really loved how it turned out, so I was very proud of this project. Random jewels from Michael's. Before gluing my jewels on to reinforce that quilted look, I used my staple gun right underneath. Project complete. Job well done.
And like a movie, people will watch it. People will want to see it.
Ooh, I can't wait to see. Can't wait to see. I can't wait to see.
Engine said, I think I can.
Hey, move it, football head. All of my 80s babies who grew up in the 90s, which also makes you a 90s baby. I know you remember Hey Arnold. Stoop kid's afraid to leave his stoop. Stoop kid's afraid to leave his stoop. You had to appreciate this cartoon. If you're in my age group and you missed out on Hey Arnold, I don't know what to tell you. Next up, Dennis the Menace. I used to love watching this cartoon after school at my grandma's house. So many memories. I used to tease my cousin and call him Dennis the Menace. Do y'all remember watching cartoons after school and Saturday morning cartoons? Oh my God. And another one. I don't have to do too much explaining. Talking about it. Bop it. Everybody loved Home Alone and the Grinch. Come on now. I remember playing How the Grinch Stole Christmas and The Little Mermaid a billion times over and over and over again. They started off with his heart small, and then it grew tall. Just kidding. Can the heart grow tall? Everybody loves a good ending when the bad guy goes good, right? Right. Pac-Man. Miss Pac-Man. How y'all doing? I felt like the coolest kid in the world because my dad bought me an arcade for the kitchen. I had Miss Pac-Man and I had Centipede in my kitchen. You couldn't tell me nothing. I thought that was the coolest thing ever. To this day, you cannot beat me in Centipede. I don't care who you are. Well, that sums up this pin corner and this video. If you know this artist, can you tag them for me? Thank you. Nostalgia, good vibes, and some dope visuals. Pin girl in the pin world. If you like this video, share, subscribe to my channel, and come back next week. Stay healthy, lovers. You are a beautiful being and you deserve a beautiful life. I love you, I love me, and I love when you guys visit. I'll see you next time.